Plant FAQs. Alternanthera Ficoidea, Partytime. A burst of color. My adventures with Alternanthera Ficoidea, Partytime. Few plants bring a splash of vibrancy to a garden, quite like Alternanthera Ficoidea, Partytime, also known as Joseph's coat. Its kaleidoscope of foliage, ranging from deep burgundy to vibrant pink and lime green, creates a stunning display that thrives in warm climates. Over the past few seasons, I've become captivated by this remarkable plant. From initial planting to ongoing care, I've learned a wealth of knowledge about this tropical beauty. In this article, I'll share my experiences and tips for cultivating a thriving partytime in your own garden. See more 106 species in genus Alternanthera at monsteraholic.com. Alternanthera Ficoidea, Partytime, is a tender perennial native to South America. It's prized for its ornamental foliage, with leaves boasting a dazzling combination of colors. The plant typically grows 12 to 18 inches tall and spreads outwards, creating a delightful ground cover or cascading centerpiece in containers. Beyond its visual appeal, Partytime is a relatively low-maintenance plant. It thrives in warm, sunny locations with well-draining soil. While not frost-tolerant, it can be enjoyed outdoors during the warmer months and brought indoors for winter in colder climates. Alternanthera Ficoidea versus Dentata. When I grew Alternanthera Ficoidea, I loved its vibrant red and green foliage, but it seemed to need a lot more water compared to Dentata, which I found to be more tolerant of dry conditions and just as striking with its variegated leaves. How to choose the perfect spot. Selecting the ideal location for your partytime is crucial for its success. Here's what to consider. Sunshine. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Partytime thrives in bright, warm conditions. Soil. Well-draining soil is paramount. Amend your existing soil with sand or compost to ensure proper drainage. Spacing. When planting multiple partytime plants, space them 8 to 12 inches apart to allow for proper growth and prevent overcrowding. Potted perfection. Container considerations. Partytime flourishes beautifully in containers. Here are some key points to remember. Container selection. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Consider the final size of the plant when selecting a container size. Potting mix. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for container plants. Watering. Water your partytime regularly, aiming for consistently moist soil but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. How to care for Alternanthera Ficoidea Partytime? Once planted, caring for your partytime is straightforward. Here's what you need to know. Watering. Consistent watering is crucial, especially during hot, dry periods. Fertilizing. Feed your partytime with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season. Pruning. Light pruning can encourage bushier growth and maintain a desired shape. Simply pinch off leggy stems or remove spent flowers. How to propagate partytime? The beauty of partytime is easily shared through propagation. Here are 2 methods you can try. Stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings around 4 to 6 inches long, ensuring at least 2 nodes are present. Remove the lower leaves and plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix, keeping the soil moist. Seed propagation. While less common, partytime can be propagated by seed. Sow seeds indoors in a warm location before transplanting them outdoors once the danger of frost has passed. What to plant with partytime? Partytime pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Consider these options. Low-growing flowers, celosia, marigolds, and trailing verbena complement the vibrant foliage of partytime. Silver foliage plants. Dusty Miller and Silver DeChandra create a stunning contrast with the rich colors of partytime. Herbs. Try planting partytime alongside fragrant herbs like basil or oregano for a unique and visually appealing combination. Winter woes. Protecting partytime from the cold. In colder climates, partytime can be brought indoors before the first frost. Here's how to ensure a smooth transition. Gradual acclimation. Gradually reduce outdoor exposure for a week or 2 before bringing the plant indoors. Bright light. Find a location with bright, indirect sunlight for your partytime indoors. Moderate watering. Reduce watering frequency as the plant enters a semi-dormant state during the winter months. With a little care and attention, partytime can thrive indoors throughout the winter and be brought back outside once spring arrives. This allows you to enjoy its vibrant foliage year-round, adding a touch of the tropics to your home during colder months. By following these tips and letting your creativity flourish, you can cultivate a stunning display of party time that brings life and color to your garden or indoor space.